classmates ko dyan as a teacher sa Marcelo Green Elementary School. At ang ating mabuting principal na si Bergie Ramos. Ako po si Daniel ng grade 2 Nara. At ang aking teacher na maganda, mabait at masipag pa. So si Teacher Lisel Figueroa. Hi guys! Ang ating i-vlog today ay alphabet with sounds. So, start po tayo sa letter A. A. Apple. Next, letter B. Sound of B. Bus. Laruan lang po siya with, ito rin po ang aming baby. Baby. B. Letter C. Sound of cat. Cat. Letter D. Sounds of D. Dog. Dog. Letter E. Sounds of E. Elephant. Elephant. Letter F. Sounds of fun. Fun. And flower. Flower. Letter G. Sounds of G. My sister. Girl. Girl. Letter H. Sounds of H. Hat. Hat. Letter I. Sounds of E. Ice cream. Ice cream. J. Sounds of J. Jacket. Jacket. K. Sounds of key. Key. L. Sounds of L. Lemon. Lemon. X. M. Sounds of M. Medal. Medal. And mask. Protection sa COVID-19. N. Sounds of N. Notebook. Notebook. O. Sounds of O. Okra. Okra. Letter P. Sounds of P. Pencil. Pencil. Letter Q. Sounds of Q. Question mark. Question mark. Letter R. Sounds of R. Ruler. Ruler. S. Sounds of scissor. Scissor. 30. Sounds of toys. Toys. Letter U. Sounds of umbrella. Umbrella. Sound of vegetable. Vegetable. Letter W. Sound of watch. Watch. Letter X. Sound of xylophone. Xylophone. Letter Y. Sounds of yo-yo. Yo-yo. Letter Z. Sounds of zipper. Zipper. Thank you, classmates and teacher, for watching my first vlog, The Alphabet Letter. I hope na enjoy kayo sa panonood. Thank you so much.